Woo! A nice wife, man.
Appreciate it, y'all. It's a beauty, huh?
If it's ugly bikes.
It's not an ugly bike.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
I bet you my bike could take yours.
Nope.
You want to race them, bro? We can.
I just make it
It's
so.
600 CBR.
If I win this race, I take the bike and your life.
What? No.
Are you scared?
No, I'm not
I'll
scared.
even give you a 1 second head start, boy. And don't even try to run, because last time you ran. Listen, said,
He can't run no more. Bro, just
What's wrong?
I think I just agreed to race a dude.
What's the deal?
I don't know, y'all. I think his name was Joe.
Joe?
Yeah.
Joe.
Yes, the dude, the blue and white and orange flame bike.
Oh, that he never loses races at all.
Swear.
He one time the dude tried to run away. He found him and broke his legs.
What? Why would he do that?
You gotta go, man.
I gotta go.
You gotta go.
What about just race him?
Now you gotta leave. You gotta pack your stuff. He tracks him down though. He still breaks your legs. Hey, young Taylor.
Hey guys, what's up?
Come say goodbye to Travis.
Where you going?
He's about to get his legs broken.
I just agreed to race a guy that has a faster engine than me.
Travis, why would you do that?
I don't know. I thought my bike is fast enough.
Well, at least it's not Joe, right?
It's Joe.
It's Joe.
You agreed to race Joe.
Yes, Joe.
Joe break them legs, Joe.
Yeah, what are you telling me, bro?
Okay, okay, everyone keep
Taylor,
calm.
please.
Keep calm. I think I remember something about this in physics. I'm gonna have to look back, but maybe there's a chance you can still make it, okay? Okay guys, so I looked it up and I was able to go back into my physics book and look at chapter 2.6 on acceleration, velocity, and displacement. And so I wrote down the questions. So we are asking, will Travis be able to catch up with Joe, right? And at what time will Travis be able to catch up with Joe? Because we want to make sure he has enough time to maybe be able to beat him, at least tie him, right? We want him to keep his legs. So let's look at the facts. Joe has a more powerful motorcycle than Travis. Travis knows that Joe's bike is rated to go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 5.3 seconds. Travis's bike, in the same amount of miles per hour, 0 to 60, he needs 7 seconds. Joe is going to give him a 1 second head start. So what I did first is I calculated the constant acceleration. So this is the constant acceleration for Travis's motorcycle, and this is the constant acceleration for Joe's motorcycle. Then what I did is I saw how far Travis would travel in 1 second. And as you can see, he would travel about almost 2 meters. So he would have about a 2 meter gap between him and Joe. And then I tried to calculate the time that Joe would be able to catch up to Travis. It would take about 7 seconds, or close to, if you round it up, 8 seconds. And so at the time or the distance, so at 7 seconds, at 7.7 seconds, they would be at 113 meters. So basically, Travis has a chance.
He has a chance.
He has a chance.
Right.
You have a chance.
Bro, you still ready to race?
Of course, bro.
I'll still give you that 1 second head start.
1 second head start. All right.
What's going on, bro?